everyone, this is Tracy and I am here to show you the pages that I completed for the month of September using my fall kit. This is the first kit of fall. I will continue to do the same type of kit in October. I have plenty of fall photos to do this. So I will probably be using what I have left over and just add to it. So I am going to go over the pages that I completed. I'm going to go in the opposite. So I'm going to do the most recent that I had completed down to the very first one. So this is the one that I just finished. The most recent one is called Happy Place. This is when we were in Vermont in 2002. And then there is this one where it's hard to tell that this is kind of a, I don't know, I don't know what you call those, nymphs or something of wood. But this was in the Bellagio in Las Vegas. Oh my goodness, they do a fantastic job of decorating one of their rooms, and this was back in 2007. And then we have this one where I had used the cut file and just filled in each little segment like this. And then this is the first one that I did where we had gone to the Dallas Arboretum and showing the white gourds and pumpkins there. Alright, let me show you what I have left over. Now, as for paper, because that last one I usually do that on my very last page, I try to just throw everything on it. And it always seems to work out okay, so I'm pretty proud. But this is all the paper I have left. I forget how many full sheets I started with, 5, 6. And some of these were pieces when I started. I have some of these left. I used up almost this whole sheet. Well, this doesn't go in there. Almost all of this wood grain one. I don't have any full sheets left. Let me show you. I did use, I know for sure, I used the mushrooms, and there was like a branch. This one here, it was a branch. I used that one on the Bellagio one. And then I did use some of the alpha. So that is looking good. So as for that, and then I did use a few pages of the Lawn Fawn Petite Paper Pack, and it's called Knock on Wood. I did use a few of those. And as you can tell, I used a few stickers here. I believe I used one of those. I had to separate out the ephemera from the sequins because it started getting kind of a mess. Now, I didn't use any of the die cuts from Cheeky Studios because I think I'm going to be using it for October. I was looking through some photos. I need to look at that. And then I didn't use this. This is not from Cheeky Studios. I want to say that is from Ellie's Studio. All right. I did not use any of that. I used quite a few. I used almost all of the leaves. I don't think I used any of the pumpkins. Let's see. This was completely full. I know I used 1, 2, 3 of the buttons. I didn't use these at all. I did use a couple of those stickers. Didn't use that. I love these sequins, Midwestern Harvest. I do believe I used at least one of these, those little wine flare. And then this is part of the paper. All right. I know I used a couple of these. I did use some of the lace. I did look at all the hearts that I used. That was completely full when I started. I didn't use that or that. I did use one of these. I didn't use those. I almost used up all of the chipboard from Lawn Fawn. So I was pretty proud of that. I love that. Anyway, I used up quite a bit. There are some items I didn't even touch, but that's okay. You know, I always put it back in my stash. And but I'm going to continue this on to the month of October. I still have some papers in my fall kit. I think for the month of October, I will show you what's in my fall kit and why I'm pulling out what I am. I'll make that one a little different. So I want to say thanks for joining me this month, and make sure you check all the ladies that are doing the Mini Kit Monday. There's Becky, Daisy, Dollie, Kathy, JoJo. So I have left links for their channels down below. Make sure you stop and say something sweet to them. They're really lovely ladies, so talented. All right, if you enjoyed this, if you'll give me a thumbs up and you know, leave a comment if you would, and I will see you guys next time. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.